Hi guys, my name is Nadia and I'm here to talk to you guys about mineral makeup. So today I'm going to show you how to apply it, how to get a flawless look, and how the best way for application. So let's get started. What's great about this formula is that it's 100% talc-free powder and it has 100% pure crushed minerals and 100% natural ingredients. And all the color comes from finely milled minerals, and it has titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, so it gives you a natural non-irritating sun protection as well. So today I'm using our loose mineral foundation powders. These are one of my favorite items in our makeup line today. They are so versatile, they have such a great coverage and a flawless look. So today I am using two colors. I like to mix colors. It's totally optional. We do have a variety of colors, so you can pick which one suits your skin tone. But today I'm using tan and medium caramel. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, unscrew the caps. And what you'll see is that the inside comes as a dial. And this helps keep the powder on the inside from spilling over when you're not using it. So when you're not using it, you want to make sure that the dial is not aligned with the holes on the bottom. And then when you're ready to use it, you just push it over into the holes and you align them up, and you can see powder is already starting to come out. So since I am using two different colors, I'm going to shake a little bit into the cap. Same thing, I'm going to dial it open, shake a little bit into here as well, and you'll see, you'll just have a little bit into the cap. Shake it so it's a little even. You're going to take a big kabuki. This is our diamond kabuki brush. I love this for just a blown out, really flawless look. This is one of my favorite makeup brushes. So you're going to take the kabuki brush, swirl it into the cap. Okay, and you want to make sure you get a good amount in there, but also a little goes a long way. And you'll see there's a lot of mineral on the top. You want to tap out any extra. Okay, then you're going to take the brush and work in circular motions to buff it into your skin. Okay, and I'm putting this over my foundation, but this works really well as your regular foundation as well. So you can put this over just your regular moisturizer in the morning, or you can use it as a setting powder for your liquid foundation. I like either. If I'm going for more of a natural look, I'll put it on top of my moisturizer or my SPF cream. But if I want a little bit more coverage, I put it on top of my liquid foundation. Okay, and that is it. That is how you apply our loose mineral foundation. I hope you liked it, and make sure you like and subscribe and follow us on all our social media networks. Thanks.